Do you use broadband internet connection in your home, or you are gonna take new broadband connection in your home? One thing is very vital for any broadband, or basically for broadband in all over the internet, that is customer support, real time on real time remote customer support, and as well as physical customer support, and their customer care executives is gonna be very important, because here not only the customer care guy will be enough, because here the technical person needs to be appointed, so that customer will not face any problem in broadband. So in broadband, customer care is the main vital thing. All over everything, package speed will be the second thing, but first thing is how the customer support. And Reliance Jio or Jio Gigafiber, we all know most of the popular broadband company right now in India for their pricing, aggressive pricing. So we'll now test about how their customer care is. We'll live call in front of you to customer care executive, and we'll talk about some technical things, and we'll talk about some non-technical thing as well, and we'll also test about their IQ level or the customer care knowledge right away in this video, so that before taking Jio Gigafiber connection, you will able to know what is the reality of Reliance Jio Gigafiber customer care in India. So let's begin this video. If you don't know what is the customer care email ID and phone number, so email ID and phone number will be given in the description of this video, and as well as in the screen, bottom of the screen right now. If you email them, they will reply after 2 days, so it is not at all recommended. You can call them via registered mobile number or via JioCall application, or even you can use any mobile number to call them. It is toll free, and after calling, if you are calling from not registered mobile number, then you have to enter the registered mobile number, and then you have to follow the procedure. Now let me show the call record and also say you how you can talk to Jio Fiber Care executives.
वेलकम टू जियो। बांग्ला जानते होले ऐट टिपुन। हिंदी में जारी रखने के लिए 2 दबाएं। To continue in English, press 3. Jio Fiber support is now available on WhatsApp. Manage your Jio Fiber account and much more. WhatsApp HELLO, that is hello, to 7000570005. For queries related to internet service, press 1. For queries related to voice service, press. For recharges and plans, press 1. For Amazon Prime offer, press 2. For internet speed and voice call related issues, press 3. No. If you are unable to access internet or facing speed issues, press 1. If you are facing any issues, please ensure that you have an active recharge plan with data quota. If you have multiple devices connected simultaneously and using data, then you may experience slower internet speed than normal. You may also experience slow speed on old devices as they do not use latest Wi-Fi technology which supports higher data transfer speeds. To repeat, press 0. To return to the previous menu, press 7. To return to the main menu, press 8. To speak to our advisor, press 9. Please hold while we transfer your call to our advisor. This call will be recorded and monitored for quality assurance and training purpose. Please rate your experience with JioCare after this call on a scale of 5, where 1 star means poor and 5 star means excellent.
जियो फाइबर में आपका स्वागत है। मैं सौरभ आपकी सेवा करती हूँ।
Hello.
Yes,
Hello, how can I open my open port in my router?
you want to open your port in router, right, sir?
Yes, particular some ports.
The opening of the port is not mentioned with details. So may I know what you want to do so that we can guide you, sir, by opening the port?
By opening the port, I want to share my remote connection. This because of IoT device. In my home, there is IoT device where the camera is also installed. So when I will be in my office, so I can see my CCTV footage from office.
Okay, I got it. Yeah. So it requires a static IP, sir. Do you have that?
Static IP request I already given some days ago, but no confirmation gave and no visit was there. Technician not visited at all.
Yeah. Sir, already the service request is already raised for this concern. An engineer will visit you within 7 days, sir. Once an engineer is assigned, you will receive one more SMS with the time of engineer visit. The engineer will visit within 4 hours from the time mentioned in the SMS.
No SMS was came, and also from today morning the complaint was closed. The
Yeah, it has
solution
also
date was
been
1st
reopened, sir.
March. When reopen, when there was, why the complaint was closed without visit? What is going on?
Exactly, I'm sorry for that, sir. But as the complaint is now been reopened, sir, we cannot able to check it. What has happened with the previous one?
When I called to check before reopening, then also you did not help anything and did not. I asked again what happened, why the solution was closed. Said no information given. Not before, when it was closed, no information given. When it was complaint was lost, no information given. When I ask any technical thing to your customer care, why don't you answer? Do you don't know anything about technical, or you are advised to say do not say anything about technical? What is this? Are you salesman?
Sorry,
There is DHCP problem is there, DHCP server IPv6 problem is there. I have called so many times. No help was given there. Frequent disconnection of the voice call was there because of DHCP server. I cannot disable the DHCP server. What is going on? In your router there is problem with setting. When the connection was set up by your engineer or whatever, then nothing was showing up, no tutorial given to me. Just come here, install me MyZio app and given Wi-Fi ID password, and he ran away. Just he stayed 5 minutes. Did not waited to my any question, he ran away. And next I am calling you again and again and again, you are nothing, no technical call is coming. I am asking you anything, you are not answering to me. I am asking to give to senior officer, you are not transferring, saying work from home. Every political party are doing rallies everywhere in the India. No COVID, nothing is there. Only your customer care is COVID. Circus is going on.
I understand your concern, sir, but already your complaint is on an escalation level only. I request you please wait for some time. We'll get an update regarding this complaint, sir.
Complaint was reopened today. What was the remarks on previous complaint closure? Without any remarks, no complaint can be closed. So I want to ask what was the remark? No email, no phone call, no visit.
I understand your concern, sir, but already the company is already on open conditions. At this time, we can't able to guide you because if there's a working is going on with this complaint, sir, on the backend side. You'll get an update, sir, regarding this on your register mobile number also when the engineer will be assigned, sir.
That is the static IP. Now I'm asking you the DHCP problem, how to fix. How to fix the DHCP mode. DHCP version 6. I want to disable the IPv6.
IPv6?
Yes, I want to disable IPv6.
The IPv6 will be, you have to first you have to get to the device settings. But device settings is disabled. The default details is been set up on the router, sir, that you can't able to change it, sir.
Default, I am not asking about your WAN setting. I am just asking for locally IPv6. I am not asking internet connection. I am just asking for your LAN.
LAN, right? LAN means your computer you want to change it, sir?
Only the local IP 192.168, that is I want to mentioning that only
Okay,
this
no,
IP.
no, local IP is not acceptable, sir. You cannot able to log into it. Can't able to change it, sir, because it's a default settings has been provided from the
Which setting you are talking about?
It's a local IP that you're saying, sir. That you are accessed on the web page.
No. I am not asking for that. Which IP you are talking about? Can you mention the IP?
That IP is also not mentioned with us, sir, because it is the service is not with us, sir.
Can't understand.
The IP details is also not been provided to us because this facility is not been enabled, sir.
You saying that you don't know the IP, then why are you talking about this IP cannot be changed?
Sir, if the service will be there, we should have the options. But if the service
Which
is not
IP
there,
you
we
are
don't have the
talking about?
The local IP, right? The local IP means
There is two
you
type
are
of
going-
local IP, IPv4, IPv6.
Yeah.
Which one you are talking about?
Okay, sir, please tell me how you want to change it, sir, so that I can guide you.
You are talking about web page IP, where the admin panel is going to be login of the Geo router. I am not talking about this.
Okay.
I am talking about IPv6.
IPv6. So, how you are able to log in, sir, to this IPv6?
That's the same login panel of the router.
Yeah, that is what it's the same question that I provided.
I'm saying I am able to log in, but where I can change, I am asking the procedure. Where I
Able
cannot
to
change,
log,
only
right?
disable IPv6.
Got it, sir. But this features is not with us, sir, so that we can guide you, sir.
Feature is not with that means?
The system settings we don't have with us, sir. Because
So
it's
why
the
are
same-
you there for the customer care? What is your work basically? You are not assigning engineer, you are not talking about technical, customer is facing, so why are you there? What are you helping me? If you don't know anything, that's fine, just assign engineer. This is also not, I am last calling from 26, 27, 28, 3 days, then 4 days come, totally wasted. No call is coming there. If you can assign, then just call from technical person, I will do it. Where is the call? Where is the contact? Where is the email? Where is the tutorial? At least send me an email.
Yeah, that you will be receiving it, sir. Already the company is
What
there
are
and the
you
company has
doing
been
in last
looking.
4 days? I am asking, what are you doing? I am paying for that. You are answerable to me. What happened last 4 days? Why no visit is there? If you think without visit you can solve the problem, that is fine. Then send me what you solved and what is my fixed IP or static IP you are talking about. What port you have opened so that I can access the camera.
So the concern that you are saying is from the out of the particularly.
What out
The
of?
concern-
Are you Jio Fiber customer care or not? Let me say first this thing.
Yeah, obviously, sir.
Then I am talking about Jio Fiber. Why are you not answering me?
I already informed it to you, sir.
What informed? That is static IP. Just forget it. I am talking about another issue. That is how to disable IPv6 locally.
Yeah, this settings is not with us, sir. Sorry for this.
The settings is not given means?
The settings that you are saying, sir, is not with us, sir.
It is not with us. That means not with your customer care. Then whom can help this?
Sir, you can mail it. Mail the screenshot.
I have
that you
already mailed. Nothing was there. Just auto reply
On
was
mail ID,
came.
sir?
Auto reply was came.
May I know the mail ID, sir?
JioFiberCare@geo.com.
Correct, that is the one, sir. It's a fiber. Have you written FIBER, sir?
I know your exact email ID from your website. I have just copied from your website, not I have typed in, so that no silly mistake was there.
Sorry, but sir, I request you please write the exact issue and mail this issue to our official mail ID.
I have mailed, auto reply came, then no reply came from human. So basically the customer care guys have zero knowledge about networking, zero knowledge about technical things of any fiber broadband connection. They are basically worthless, they don't know anything. You have hired themselves as a salesman or whatever. I don't know, they waste their time, they waste our time also. So do not call ever to Jio customer care because they don't know anything. And before taking any new connection from Jio Fiber, just consider that you will not get any kind of support from them. It will be like your own property. You have to maintain your broadband connection, you have to maintain, you have to pay by yourself. Nobody will come to help you. As I am recording this video, already 7 days passed, no problem solved was given to me, and as well as also going to face more frequent disconnection and Wi-Fi disconnect issue. So nobody is going to help me or help any customer by Jio Fiber support team. That's all in this video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, take care and be safe from Jio Fiber.